loves. Wow, it's a vlog for VLOGMAS. I hope you can hear me okay. I need to get like a baby mic for this camera. I meant to leave the house today. I'm just running some errands. I was gonna vlog like breakfast and stuff, but I woke up not feeling that great. Just my tummy, it's just from stress. So I just had toast, peanut butter toast, so I didn't vlog that. But hopefully by the time I get home, I'm gonna be starving because it's only 3 p.m. Sorry, it's rainy, snowy, whatever it is. I had to run back inside to find my tripod because I did not have it with me. As you could probably tell, I'm a little bit of a mess. Things have been a mess, but I've been wanting to chat with you guys to let you know like kind of what's going on and why I've been a little bit distant. I had planned to do 1 to 2 vlogs at least a week for VLOGMAS, and that has not happened. I have been much more comfortable doing my regular content because it's not about me. It's much easier. Let me get you situated. It's much easier to talk about makeup or talk about clothes than it is to talk about your personal life. So I'm going to try and get it out quickly so I don't cry. I'm okay. I'm okay. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. So the last few weeks have been pretty tough for me. I ended my 9-year relationship. We still live together right now, so we're in that weird limbo. I know it's for the best, and I just, you know, you grow as people. You can grow a lot in 9 years, and sometimes it's not meant to be. If it's meant to be, we'll end up back together, but, you know. So anyway, there's that. That's been a big adjustment. I even did my makeup and my hair so I'd feel good today, but it took me so long to leave the house, and now I'm like stressed because we're less than an hour away from the sun going down. And then on the other side of that, my grandpa, it's my grandpa that I'm not super close with, so I'll be totally honest about that. But it's my dad's dad, and he just passed away from after COVID complications. So that was something. I mean, no matter what, no matter how you feel about someone or how close you are to someone, it's still your family. Like, it's still your family, and I'm, you know, very sad for my dad, who's now lost both his parents, and it's just hard. Oh, I'm gonna get on the freeway and hopefully calm down by the time I get closer to the post office. Not me driving way further than I need to go to the post office, right? Just to avoid human interaction as little as possible. Big yikes. Ooh, I hate this verge. Got it. But I think the freeway is going to be too loud for me to talk over. Hop back on and chat a little more. I just want to get that out there. I just wanted to, you know, anyway, I'll chat with you in a moment. There we go. You can see me now. I hope you can hear me. Sometimes this camera just does what it wants with the sound. I belted out some Ariana Grande on the way to the valley to go to the post office. And wow, okay, car, don't hit me. Anyway, that helps. I need veggies. I have just, honestly, because I've been in such a like mental rut, have not been eating the best food. I've been eating all vegan junk food. By the way, I realized that it's basically been a year since I went vegan. I started transitioning last December. And yeah, I went full in January. Like, I knew I hadn't told anyone I was going vegan, so I wanted to get through Christmas, and like I had some goodies that my mom got me that were like my favorite that were not vegan, so I wanted to eat those up and then, you know, did the transition. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Go me. That was way easier than I thought it would be. Pretty proud of myself. That's just something that I personally wanted. It's not something I'm trying to push anybody, but I think it's a great thing. I think there's a lot of benefits of being vegan, and I do think it's helped my arthritis. I think that it's helped my heart, metaphorical heart, I guess. But anyway, I'm running to the post office to drop off some Poshmark orders. There's some stuff listed on Poshmark right now. I need to, I'm going to try and start doing Poshmark, like loading a decent chunk of stuff once a week, because I am drowning in clothes, and I also need to be able to pay my mortgage on my own. So yeah, I need to prep some little gifts to put in there. I've just been a mess. I'm sorry, everyone's gotten a face mask lately, but I'm officially out of face masks. So I'll get you guys some other stuff. We'll figure it out. I've got some PR stuff and stuff that I don't need that I can pop in there. But anyway, that's been my life. Yeah, so we're gonna go to Target, we're going to Trader Joe's. Again, I wish I had gotten out sooner. Do you love that I literally drove way further just to go to the post office so I didn't have to interact with anyone, because this one has a drop box. I have a big bag of stuff because I have a boohoo return. I'm just returning that stuff I was going to film on. I don't have time. I just don't have time, so I'm just returning it. And we'll try again. because I have another haul with them coming up very shortly in January. Yeah. Okay, we'll get behind this guy. We are at the post office. Well, we're pulling into the post office. Oh my god, it's been so busy at the post office, I don't even know. I feel like my chin is just like a loud crowd. Oh, update on my Botox for my TMJ. I definitely think it's helped. My TMJ's been bugging me a little bit. We did a very low dose. I filmed that. I don't know if I'll include that or what, but I do think it's helped. I feel like my double chin's got more prominent because it's not as spread out from my TMJ widened face. Oh, I'm just gonna park right here. Let's park here. Okay. Turn off my car. But yeah, that's what's been going on in life. I hope you guys are well. You guys are so sweet. I've had so many people reach out saying they're having a tough time right now too, and that watching my videos has helped, and that means the world. Creating my videos has helped me, honestly. It gives me something to do, gives me something to distract me. I love you guys so much. I'm sorry that Vlogmas wasn't what I thought it was going to be, but I know that you guys understand with what has happened in my life. Just a lot of change, you know? Just a lot of change, and that happens. You just got to breathe. You just got to get through it. So I just haven't felt like chatting because I didn't want to be a total wreck in a vlog. I'm still a mess. Don't get me wrong, I'm still a mess, but I felt like maybe today I just pushed myself. I knew I needed to get stuff done, and I know I'll feel better once I get some gift cards for Christmas. That's just what I'm doing for almost everyone's Christmas gift this year because I don't have the mental capacity right now to think of anything. So I hope everyone in my family is fine with gift cards. You know, it is what it is. Okay, I'm gonna run the post office. Get this over with. The lighting's not gonna be that good. The sun's going down. It's almost 4 p.m. I just made it to Target. I literally drove all the way to the post office on the other side of town to use the drop box, and it was full. So I had to drop my stuff on the counter, which always makes me so nervous because the line was out the door, but everything was prepaid for. So fingers crossed that humanity is kind and doesn't steal my giant boohoo return. I've done it multiple times and it's been fine, but I'm still scared. I'm always nervous. So anyway, at Target, I'm not sure. It looks busy. Of course it is. Why am I here? I should have gotten it together online, but I couldn't find anywhere online where you could order actual gift cards for different places, all in one location. There probably is somewhere. If there is somewhere and you guys know about it, let me know. But I'm hoping I just pop in and pop out. I have a list. I even anxious person tip. I even went on the Target app for my store and found the aisle numbers for the things I didn't know if they would be there. I wasn't thinking, and I want to make molasses cookies, and you need ginger. Just like molasses cookies or gingerbread, obviously you would need ginger, but I didn't think about that, and I don't have ginger. So I need ginger, I need some mouthwash, I need some floss, I need some very basic things that I probably could do a grocery order and order, but the gift card's not really. So I had to come over. I'm hoping I can literally get everything done in this one stop. Yeah, so anyway, I don't know what we're going to do today. I'm already starting to get hungry because all I've had is that toast and it's now 4 p.m. But that's what life is. So I'm going to try and do this fast and then pop into Trader Joe's fast. I'll vlog probably on my phone if I can, but it's probably going to be busy. And I'm extra anxious today, so I'm gonna try and just get in, get out. I got some really cute wrapping paper the last time I came to Target. That's literally all I came in, and I grabbed wrapping paper and bows and stuff, and then I was just I always get way too anxious. I've been to Target probably 3 times since the pandemic, and I used to go to Target weekly, at least once a week, so trying to keep it to the minimum. It's just scary out there, guys. Be careful. Anyway, so maybe we'll make some cookies today. Make some food. I saw Sweet Simple Vegan made some Fiesta potatoes, and I haven't had Taco Bell since before I went vegan, so I now don't even have the potatoes. So I might make those. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see what's happening. I'm gonna try and get my butt in there and get out and get to Trader Joe's and get my veggies. Yeah, I'm just rambling, but I love you guys, and let's go to Target and Trader Joe's. am making those potato tacos. I am home, obviously, so I just cut up a bunch of baby potatoes and I am boiling them for a minute. Then I'm going to put them in some olive oil. I will leave the recipe down below that I'm using. It's from Sweet Simple Vegan. I love them. They're here on YouTube. Luna's back there creeping. Look at you creeping. She's so cute. So olive oil and some spices, and then put them in the air fryer. They put them in the oven, but I'm gonna put them in the air fryer. So let's do it. It's hard to see. I just diced them up to tiny sizes. I think that they're probably done because they're so small. Okay, I just sprayed some of that olive oil spray. They used avocado oil, but I used olive oil, so I'm gonna put the potatoes back in here. Oh, steaming up the camera. I'm supposed to coat them, so hopefully that's enough. So got them all coated. Okay, so I put some cornstarch. I'm not measuring anything because that's not how I do my life. Garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, paprika, pepper. I didn't have any cayenne pepper, but I've got this chili stuff. Oh my, so a little bit of that, some garlic salt. I'm gonna stir it. I think that's everything. And you're just gonna try and coat every single one with all of that. Okay, this is what they're looking like. I'm gonna pop them in the air fryer and I'll show you when they're done. You say hi, always. You love everyone. Everyone loves you. Everybody loves you. Hi. You say hi, Tiny Queen. Tiny Queen. Everybody loves you too. Tiny Binks. Okay, I'm gonna attempt a spicy ranch. So I have vegan mayo, vegan sour cream back here, some jalapeno sauce. So I'm gonna make a basic ranch with these and then add the jalapeno sauce. We'll see how it goes. Alright, added a little bit of water. I'll put everything that I put in it down below, but it was just vegan mayo, vegan sour cream, water, garlic powder, salt, pepper, onion powder, chives, parsley, a little paprika. I don't know, it's good. Not exactly the same, obviously, as the Taco Bell sauce, but it's gonna be tasty. And of course, this jalapeno sauce from Trader Joe's. Spicy. Alright, so I'm just taking a couple of these guys. Ooh, get that car out of the way. And then the cheese, this is my favorite vegan cheese. It's like the only vegan cheese I like, so I put that on there. I've got some shredded lettuce. So I'm going to warm up these shells a little bit, melt this, and then I'll put the potatoes on. And the lettuce and the sauce. Super easy, super simple. Here are the potatoes. I think they're good. They're pretty crispy. Crispy enough, you know? Potatoes. Not the healthiest thing, but you know what? Sometimes you gotta YOLO. I feel like I could have maybe seasoned them a little more, but we'll see. I'm actually going to put the sauce on now. Not a ton, because it's kind of spicy, which is the point. There we are. It's hard to see the sauce, but you can see. Yum. Girl. So good. Oh, hell yeah. Oh my god. This, what? There's a cop. I don't know what he doing. Oh wait, I'm too soon. He scared me. Cops scare me. I'm like, am I not allowed to vlog? I'm not touching anything. She up there.